Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a 100-piece, it's a donut puzzle. Now these donut puzzles are really popular right now. This is for boys and girls ages 4 to 8. So basically it's a little puzzle and it comes in a little tin, collectible tin, which I really like quite a bit. It's great for learning, education, helping kids with their skills. I'm just going to show you a little bit of quick unboxing really fast. Comes in this tin box like you see here. It's this nice small tin box and it's all donut themed like you see. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to show you what's included in this puzzle. So the puzzles come in large pieces like this here that you can break apart. But it gives you an idea what they look like when they're put together, right? So these, to break them all apart, there's 100 pieces, which is a good skill set for the age between, the 4 to 8-year-old is perfect. So they come like this here. When you get them, you just break them all apart and lay them all out. Also, what I do like about it is they give you a diagram. So it gives you an idea what they look like when they're done. Just like this. So it gives you a little schematic so you can kind of follow along and put them together and just get the right configuration. So that's exactly all I have for you today. Really short and sweet. I just wanted to show you how cute this is. I like the collectible tin. This is really cool. You can see how the pieces, how they all come. And then once you break them all apart, you have a donut game, a puzzle. And the quality of the piece is really good. Nice, thick cardboard. And the back, there's also a little game as well. An additional puzzle, a little bit more challenging in the back, which is kind of fun. I like that. But the donuts are really popular right now. The kids love the donuts, and the collectible tin is absolutely adorable. They can keep it when they're done, or they can keep it open. Either way, that's what it comes. Just like this here, 100-piece puzzle in this adorable collectible tin. Hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to follow for more, and follow the channel and subscribe if you love this kind of content. I love doing reviews to show you a little bit of what's available. This was purchased myself. I was not given this by the company, so I did buy this, and I think it's a really nice quality product. I was surprised that it came in a metal tin, and I think that's actually really good. I love that. Appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching.